With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is solve the equation 4 into root of cos x by 2 minus 5 minus root 2 by 2 whole square plus root 2 into 4 into root of cos x by 2 minus 5 minus root 2 by 2 minus cos x by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so here in this equation, if we look at carefully, we can see that this term is here and here also. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do, we'll take let 4 root under cos x whole divided by 2 minus 5 minus root 2 divided by 2, this is equals to y. Okay, so if we substitute the value in this equation, what we will find, therefore our equation will become, this will be y square plus it will be root 2y, this is root 2y minus cos x divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so now let's try to convert these two terms in a perfect square form. That means it can be written as y square plus 2 into root 2 into y, and here under the root 2 it can be written as 2. Okay, this value did not change, 2 cancelled, root 2y. Okay, plus if we add root 2 by 2 extra, this will be whole square. So as we have taken this term extra, so you have to subtract it, so it will be minus root 2 by 2 whole square minus it will be cos of x, so it will be minus cos x divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this is what, this is the format of what, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means it will be y plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2 divided by 2 whole square, and here this value will be, if we take minus common from this 2, it will be minus common, and root 2 by 2 whole square means what, this root 2 and square can be cancelled, root and square, so it will be 2 divided by, and for the denominator it will be 2 divided by 4, and as you have taken the minus sign common, plus cos of x divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so from here if we substitute the value of y again, y as we have taken y as 4 root under cos of x divided by 2 minus 5 minus root 2 divided by 2 plus root 2 divided by 2 whole square minus, from here if we take the LCM it will be 4. Okay, so it will be 2 plus 2 cos x equals to 0. This equation will become this. Okay, so clearly you can see that this value and this value will be cancelled. Okay, so ultimately what we'll have, this will be, or it will be 4 root under cos of x divided by 2 minus 5 whole square minus, if we take 2 common from here, now here if we look at this, if we take 2 common from here, it will be what, 1 plus cos x. Okay, so let's first take the 2 common, it will be 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 plus cos x. Now 1 plus cos x equals to 0. Now we know that 1 plus cos x, if we write it, it can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. This is the formula. Okay, so from here you can write it as 4 root cos of x divided by 2 minus 5 whole square minus 2 divided by 4. We can write it as half also. Okay, so let's keep it like this, multiplied by this value will be equals to what, this value will be 2 into 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, half angle formula, this will be equals to 0. Okay, now here you can see that this 2 is 4, that means this will be cancelled with this one value. Okay, so ultimately what will be the final equation? From here it can be written as 4 root under cos x divided by 2 minus 5 whole square minus, it is cos of x by 2 whole square equals to 0. Okay, so here you can see this is the format of what, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so similarly we can change the values, it can be written as, from here if we apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, it will be a plus b, that means 4 root under cos of x divided by 2 minus 5, which is a, plus b, that means cos of x divided by 2. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, that means 4 root cos of x by 2 minus 5 minus cos of x divided by 2, that means here this is the 2 is in the with the x equals to 0. Okay, so this will be the final equation. So from here we will get two values. For the first one, this one will be equals to 0, and for the second one, this one will be equals to 0. Okay, now if we make the first one equals to 0, the first equation was, the first part was 4 into root under cos of x by 2 minus 5 minus cos of x by 2 equals to 0. So this was the first equation. Okay, so from here you can see that this is not possible. Why this is not possible? Let's say the value for cos of x by 2, the maximum value for cos theta is 1. So let's say this is taken the maximum value. So root under 1 will be 1. So 4 minus 5, and here as we have taken this as 1, so this one will also be 1. So 5 minus 1, which is what? Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, and here we have 4. 4 minus 6 is not equals to 0. So this equation, the first equation, will not be valid. Okay, so now let's write the second equation, which is 4 root under cos of x by 2 minus 5 plus cos of x by 2 equals to 0. Okay, so now if we put the value for cos of x by 2 as 1, what do we find? 4 into root 1, that means it is 4 minus 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5, minus 5, 0. That means the value for cos of x by 2 equals to 1 is satisfied, because for this the equation satisfies. Okay, so from here we'll get this value, or so this value will be equals to, so 1 will be cos of 2n pi. So from here you can find that therefore x by 2 will be equals to 2n pi. Therefore x will be equals to 2 into 2, that means 4n pi. So this is the required solution for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.